So hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this we're going to talk about the problem B of code process around 756, which is team composition, programmers and mathematicians. So it is a very good problem. The problem is that there are A programmers and B mathematicians in a college, in a university, which is Berlin State University. Okay? And each team consists of 4 members. Okay, in which there should be at least one mathematician and one programmer. At least one out of the two. Okay, मतलब एक मैथमेटिशियन हो सकता है या फिर एक प्रोग्रामर होना ही चाहिए. Fine. This is really a interesting problem. It is just based on a maths. Okay. So now let's move towards the logic part, that what we will do in this particular problem. Okay? So the thing is that what we will do is, okay. So we have some A mathematicians and B programmers. Let's say. Okay. So if A is equal to B, the first case, if A is equal to B, okay, in this case it is just we will write A plus B because we have equal numbers of A's and B, and the answer will be A plus B by 4. ओके, जितनी भी टीम्स पॉसिबल होंगी हम लोग बना लेंगे, बाकी हर टीम में 2 मैथ्स और 2 प्रोग्रामर्स होंगे. दिस विल बी द आंसर. इफ ए इज इक्वल टू बी, देन दिस विल बी द आंसर. इट इज वेरी इजी. ठीक है, जितनी भी 4 की टीम बन जाएंगे बना लेंगे, और ए और बी तो इक्वल है, 2 ए हो जाएंगे 2 बी हो जाएंगे, मींस 2 प्रोग्रामर हो जाएंगे और 2 मैथमेटिशियन हो जाएंगे. सो इन दिस होल वीडियो आई विल टेक mathematicians as A and programmers as B. Fine. Now, if programmers are more than mathematicians, or mathematicians are more than programmers, then what we will do? So what we will do is we will make the pair of 1 and 1. For example, there are 8 mathematicians and 3 programmers. Let's say, okay, or 4 programmers. Okay, we will take 4 programmers. So let's say that there are 8 mathematicians and 4 programmers. Now what we will do is, so first of all we will make team of a mathematician and programmer, mathematician, programmer, mathematician, programmer. Now there are 4 mathematicians left here. Okay, and there are some teams, like, but these teams consist of only 2 members. There are 4 teams, but they are only 2 members. So what we can do is we can either join 2 teams to form a single team. Now they contain 4 members. Now there are 2 teams, team number 2, team number 1, and they contains 4 members. But there are these some m's remaining. So what we can do is, now here is the main logic. So after making a team of 2 where there is one mathematician, one programmer, what we will do is we will use these extra m's, or maybe there हो सकता है यहाँ पे p ज़्यादा हो, maybe there are more programmers, or maybe there are more mathematicians. So I am taking the example of more mathematicians. You can take also more programmers. There is a same logic there also, that we have to first of all make team of 1 m and p, means 1 maths and 1 programmer. Like how many teams are possible, हमें उतनी teams बना लेनी है, and we have to place the extra mathematicians या extra programmers हमें अलग रखना है. Fine. Now what we can do is we can join 2 teams to form a single team. 2 teams of 2 people to form a single team of 4 people. But we have to also use these 4 mathematicians or programmers, whatever there is extra. Okay. So what we will do is कि हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग इन जो एक्स्ट्रा वाले मैथमेटिशियन प्रोग्राम, इनका भी हम लोग 2 ग्रुप बना लेंगे. So this is a group of 2. For example, there will be 9 mathematicians. There will be 1 mathematician left. पर हमें ग्रुप 2 का बनाना है, तो हम लोग 2 का ग्रुप बना लेंगे. And we will assign this one group to here and the second group to there. So now this is a team, this is a team, and this combined is a team. This was the logic I have thought. Okay, this is the logic which I have thought during the program. Let's take one more case. For example, there are 13 mathematicians, or let's say 13 programmers, and let's say 4, or not 4, 8 mathematicians. In this case, programmers are more than mathematicians. Okay. Now what we will do is, so we will first of all make team of MP, MP, MP. So there will be 8 teams. Okay, minimum of MP. So there will be 8 teams. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teams. Okay. Now there are 5 more programmers left. So we will make team of 2. We will assign each team of P to this and the other one to this. Now this is a team, this is a team. Okay, means this MPPP and this MPPP. And now we will join others like this. If there is a single team of 2 members remaining, तो हम लोग उसे count नहीं करेंगे. It will be 3, 4 and 5. This is the basic logic what I have thought. So let's move towards the code part, what I have done in code. Okay, so where it is, yeah. So this is like that. I have if A is greater than B, same I have done for if B is greater than A. Okay, so there is the same logic. So I have first found the difference between A and B. This is the extra numbers. Then I have divided them by 2. Why? Because we have to make a pair of 2 and 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay. Then I have subtracted that D from A because A is greater than B and we have to make A and B equal. So I have subtracted D from A. Okay. Now I have founded the minimum of A and D. Means how many pair of MMPM or PPMP are possible. That is D. Okay. Now I have subtracted that much amount of pairs from A and B. Now I have added the number of pairs which is possible. And then it is D. Means this is basically logic here when A is equal to B. Because after this condition A minus is equal to D and B minus is equal to D, now here A and B equal, यहाँ पर A और B equal हो चुके हैं, तो हम लोग सिंपली ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं A प्लस बी बाय 4 वाला. यहाँ तक इक्वल नहीं थे तो हमने जो इक्वल नहीं थे जो एक्स्ट्रा थे उसको हमने अलग निकाल लिया, उनकी अलग टीम्स बना लिया. अब जो इक्वल है तो उन्होंने डायरेक्टली लगा लिया A प्लस बी बाय 4, यहाँ हमने D को प्रिंट कर दिया. तो उसको आप खुद समझिए, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड बाय योरसेल्फ. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन कमेंट डाउन or you can ask it on Telegram. Subscribe to the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.